When the information comes to the utility about there's an outage out on the system, our dispatchers, they'll dispatch a troubleman to go out and investigate what the issue is. Finding the problem, that can take quite a bit of time. Sometimes the things are easy to spot, sometimes they're not. If it's just a single home that's out of power, he'll just do some diagnostic stuff there to try to determine what the issue is. If it's something that he can repair or fix himself, he'll do so. Or if not, we'll have to send a crew there to make what repairs are necessary to get the customer back on. If it happens to be a little larger scale outage, he'll patrol the neighborhood and try to determine what the issue is. A lot of times it's just a tree limb. We may have to call tree trimmers out to remove a limb off of a line. Could be a squirrel or a bird. And if he can find out what the issue is, he'll go back out, put a new fuse in it, and he'll heat the line back up. It could be a transformer that's bad, and he'll have to start isolating transformers to try to determine, which one's bad. And that may take a process that takes a while, because he'll have to keep going back and closing the fuse in until he finds the right transformer. It could be a line down that we have to go out and take care of, and that would require calling in a crew also. And then if you have a even bigger outage where it affects a whole feeder, but he would probably team up with another trouble man. He would start at the substation, and whatever feeder comes out of that sub that's affected, he would start there and work his way out and try to find out what the issue is. But if it's something that requires a line crew, then that adds time. The conditions can definitely slow the process down. Pouring down rain in the dark, that adds another element that adds time to things. But the guys, they've been doing it for such a long time, they're really good about troubleshooting. So when you see the troublemen out driving up and down your street, they're not out there just driving up and down just for the sake of doing it. They're actually looking in the backyards, they're looking out on the road, if the lines are out on the road. They're looking to see if they can spot something that's causing an outage.